guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with the Squash Band, and I completed it. It's such an easy kit. Everything went together good, perfect, no problems. Really quick. I did it in a couple hours. A joy to build. Everything went together. All the gears inside, they're fun to put together. I just liked the build. I liked it a lot. No problems. It all went together nicely. Great kit. If you're thinking of a fun kit to get, I suggest it. And now I just got to do the body, but I'm waiting for some stuff. So that'll be a while, but I just wanted to make this video and show you guys it's done. Let me get my radio here. Everything's working. Pretty neat. For a servo, let me show you what I used. I had this on one of my crawlers. I had this servo laying around from one of my crawlers, the Spectrum S614. I think it's powerful enough. The suspension on it's nice. Look at this. Doesn't even have oil shocks, and it works pretty good. These chassis are heavy though, with all these gears and the thick main chassis out of plastic. It's really bulky, but fun build. Everything smooth, went together like a beauty, guys. And if you're looking for a fun kit to build, like I said before, I highly recommend this one. All the gears inside of this, it makes it so much more fun than a normal RC to build. It's really cool. Anyhow, guys, I just wanted to show you I'm finished with the beauty. It's working. I'm just gotta do up the body and stuff. I'll probably have another video or maybe just unveil it for you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. Hope you like this build. And I'll see you next time. Do all that good stuff. Sub, like, leave comments. Have any questions, let me know. Great Tamiya kit, this Squash van. Go for it, guys. Later. Biuld.